Let's make a table of 4. Minus 4, sorry, minus 4. We'll make a table of minus 4. So every time we will write minus 4 in a bracket. Minus 4 multiplied by 0 is 0. Anything multiplied by 0 will be 0. Minus 4 multiplied by 1 is minus 4. Minus 4 multiplied by 2 is minus 8. And minus 4 multiplied by 3 will be minus 12. Here 4 is the negative quantity, minus 4. And this is the multiplier. Here it is 0, 1, 2, 3. The multiplier is increasing by 1. Every time we increase the multiplier by 1, the number or the product, this is the product decreases. It is not increasing, it is decreasing. From 0 it has gone to minus 4, which is smaller than 0. The next time you take 2 as the multiplier, 2 has increased by 1, but the product has decreased by 4 here again. So minus 4 is minus 8. Multiplier increased by 1, product again decreased by minus 4, decreased by 4, so it is minus 12. Here we are taking the multiplier in negative quantity. So when the multiplier is minus 2, which is smaller than minus 1, so if the multiplier is negative of the negative, this is a negative quantity and multiplier is negative, if it is smaller, then the product is bigger. Now here minus 4 multiplied by minus 1. Minus 1 is bigger than minus 2. But the product now has become less, smaller. As the multiplier increases, it is increasing from minus 2 to minus 1. It has increased. Minus 1 to 0, it has increased. This is increasing. The multiplier here is increasing. These are the multipliers. Multiplier here is increasing, but the product is decreasing. From 8 it has gone to 4, and from 4 it goes to 0. The table of minus 5 is given below. Minus 5. So this is the table of minus 5, and these are the multipliers. Multiplier, it is minus 3. So 5 3s are 15. Both are negative, so we have positive number. So it is minus 5 into minus 3, 15, plus 15. Minus 5 into minus 2 is plus 10. Minus 5 into minus 1 is plus 5. Minus 5 into 0 is 0. Now here we are increasing the multiplier. From minus 3 we have gone to minus 2 to minus 1 to 0. From 0 we are going to 1, plus 1. But here the product is decreasing now. Again same way, from 15 it has gone to 10 to 5 to 0 to minus 5 to minus 10 to minus 15. The multiplier is increasing and the product is decreasing. The product, this is the product, it is decreasing. 15 to 10, 10 to 5, 5 to 0, this is 0, minus 5, minus 10, minus 15. So for the negative quantity, this is the negative quantity. If the multiplier is increasing, the multiplier is increasing, the product is decreasing. Now let us consider the next tables of minus 6. So minus 6 multiplied by minus 3 is 18. Now the multiplier is increasing by 1. It has become minus 2. So the product becomes 12. 6 2s are 12. 6 1s are 6. It will be positive. minus 6 into 0 is 0, minus 6 into 1 is minus 6. Now the product is decreasing. Minus 6 into 2 is minus 12, minus 6 into 3 is minus 18. Similarly, we can say the multiplication table of minus 7. So minus 7 into minus 3 is 21. This is 14. This is 7. This is 0. This is minus 7, minus 14 and minus 21. The product of two positive quantities, positive integers, is a positive. Suppose you have some number here. Okay, it can be 3, it can be 15, any number, but it is positive. This is positive multiplied by another positive number. So suppose this is 5. So it will be 3 5s are 15. So it will be a positive product. The number which we obtain by multiplying two positive numbers will be a positive number. Now, if we have one positive number and one negative number, the product, when you multiply the two, the resultant is known as the product. So one positive and one negative numbers, the product of it will be negative. The first is negative and the second is positive, yet the product will be negative only. But if both are negative, both the numbers are negative, the product obtained by multiplying each other will be a positive. So we can see, if both the numbers are positive, you get a positive product. If both the numbers are negative, you get a negative product, positive product. Again, let us see it again. The product of two positive numbers is positive. The product of two negative numbers is positive again. But if one of them is negative, either this or this, then the product is negative. In both the cases, the product is negative. If one of the two is negative, then the product is negative. If both are positive, then the product is positive. If either of the two is negative, then the product is negative. If both the numbers are negative, then the product is positive. Nobody should say minus minus is equal to plus. That is a wrong way of telling. We have to say the product of two negative numbers is positive. Please listen and apply it thoroughly. Practice set 8. The first example, minus 5 multiplied by minus 7. The product of 5 and 7, 5 sevens are 35. But we know these both are negative. So the product of two negative quantities is positive. Now let us take the second example. The product of one negative and one positive will be a negative number. 6 9s are 54, negative. The third example, third, the product of a positive number and second one negative number. So one of them is negative, so the product will be a negative number. 9 4s are 36, so it will be a negative number. Now the fourth example, one is positive and the second one is negative. So the either of the two is negative, so the product will be always negative. 7 8s are 56 will be negative number. You have fifth, let us take the fifth example. Fifth, minus 124 and multiplied by minus 1. So it is product of two negative quantities. Product of two negative quantities again is positive, so it will be plus 124. 124 multiplied by 1 is 124. Now take the sixth example. Here both the terms are negative. Both the terms are negative. So the product of two negative terms is positive. 12 sevens are 84. The seventh example. Minus 63 is the first number and the second number is minus 7. So the product will be a positive. It will be positive. Plus 7 threes are 21. Carry over 2. 7 6 are 42 and 43 44. So it will be 44. 441. Now the eighth example. One is a negative. First one is negative number and the second one is a positive number. So one negative and one positive. The product will always be negative. So it will be minus 7 5s are 35. 3 carry over 3. 7 ones are 7 and 3 10. So it will be 105. But it will be negative. One negative and one positive. The product of one positive and one negative and one positive will be negative.